Hi guys, so I have another unboxing video for you. This time it features one of the Itamals bags. I chose Sakura because I'm a red panda and I freaking love red pandas. So I started to open the box and I was like, wait, I need to record all this. So only downside was I guess the people that deliver near me aren't the nicest with their packages. So there was a tear in the box, but it looks like everything inside is okay. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So this is what all the pins are going to go on. And then order information. Here, our store. Thank you, Itamals. It's adorable. And then thank you so much for your order. You can't really see it, but it's adorable. Okay. Oh, cool. I got these guys too. So I got these guys. Can't really see them. And then I also got this guy. And then alright. So man, this guy is big. That's awesome. That makes me really happy. So this is the panda. My camera adjust. So this is the red panda. It's got a tail on the back. The straps are amazing quality. And actually, I don't need to adjust the straps either. Cool. To get the back shot like that. I was really excited for these because I'm a big enamel pin collector, so that made me very happy. So this is the part where the pins go. It's that first layer that they show off. So that I don't forget, I'm gonna stick that in there. I like the little paw prints, they're cute. Alright, and then the next part is this guy. Oh my god, it looks so awesome! So, black on the inside, and then I'm not sure if you can see it, but they also have like a little pouch here. That's really cool. So yeah, this is the Itamals backpack. And I also ordered the Itamals Anxious Fox bag. I'm waiting for that in the mail right now. So hopefully I will get that before too much longer. And then I'll be able to give you guys kind of video of that. And then once I put all my pins in here, I will show you guys what I come up with. And as always, thanks for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. If you want to support me in any way, shape, or form, I do have a Patreon. It's under the same username I use for everything else. If you support me, you get to vote on dance videos that I could be posting later on, dance tutorials, all kinds of stuff. So, I don't have too many followers, so I'm still posting things publicly on there. But otherwise, thanks for watching.